Hello everyone, welcome back to third lecture on signal processing basics in Python. In this lecture series, I'll be showing you how to plot discrete time sequence in Python using Matplotlib. For this, just Matplotlib library is enough to import. So import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Let me run it. Next we shall define index n and let us make it as a list. So it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my sequence starts from 0. I have sample 1, I have a sample 2, 3, so dot up to 6. Okay. Now we shall define the dependent variable xn, which is equal to, again it's a list. At n equal to 0, the sample say -1, comma at n equal to 1, sample say 4, comma at n equal to 2, sample is -3, comma at n equal to 3, it is 0. These are the randoms number I am giving here, and one more 9. So here I defined independent and dependent variable. Now is to plot this discrete time sequence. We shall use plt.stem. Stem is the command to plot the discrete time sequence. So within the parenthesis, first argument is independent variable n and the y-axis argument is xn. So let me run it. So as you can see, we got the discrete time sequence. At n equal to 0 it is -1, at n equal to 1 it is 4, and so on. Now we shall give title to it, plt.title. It's a discrete time sequence, discrete, discrete time sequence, and we shall give title to the x-axis as well, plt.xlabel. It is n, and we shall give title for y-axis as well, ylabel, in a single quote. It is amplitude. If I run it, so this is how we plot discrete time sequence in Python. Thank you.